we take the broken yarn on the back, and then we have to recreate a course of the knit fabric. So we choose a spot, a good one, to insert the needle, and we start recreating the horizontal line of the stitches, passing horizontally in the V shape of a stitch, and then passing the needle always horizontally in the reversed V shape. In this way we are recreating the path of the yarn. Down and up. Down and up. And we get to the point that we don't have stitches below anymore, but we have the hole. So we need to connect the upper stitches with the lower ones. Passing through the stitches from front to back, and in the next one from back to front. And then again going on the stitches that are up, taking them, the one on the right from front to back, and the one on the left from back to front. In this way we are recreating the stitches from scratch. Again, going below, from front to back and from back to front. And we need to repeat this movement until we get to the end of the hole. Once we've done with some stitches, we just go to the back of the sweater, pass the yarn through some of the stitches so that we lock it and hide it inside the fabric, and leave it there until we wash our sweater and everything becomes a one single thing again.